Hello garden lovers! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we bring you the most inspiring ideas to transform your outdoor spaces. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Today we're diving into a topic that's spiky, stunning, and surprisingly versatile: cactus garden design. If you've ever dreamt of a low-maintenance, drought-tolerant, and visually captivating landscape, then you're in the right place. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the incredible world of cactus gardens and unveil our top 10 best design ideas. So, what exactly is a cactus garden? At its core, a cactus garden is a landscape or container arrangement primarily featuring cacti and other succulents. It's a celebration of arid beauty, bringing the unique textures, forms, and resilience of desert plants into your home or yard. Beyond just planting, it's about creating a harmonious environment that mimics their natural habitat, often incorporating elements like rocks, gravel, and sandy soil to enhance their aesthetic appeal and ensure their well-being. Why choose a cactus garden? The benefits are abundant. Firstly, they are incredibly drought-tolerant, making them an eco-friendly choice that conserves water, especially important in arid regions or for those looking to reduce their water bill. Secondly, they are remarkably low maintenance. Say goodbye to constant pruning, watering, and fussing. Cacti thrive on neglect, making them perfect for busy individuals or those new to gardening. Thirdly, their unique aesthetics are simply unmatched. From towering columns to spherical wonders and intricate rosettes, cacti offer an incredible variety of shapes, sizes, and even vibrant blooms that can create a truly stunning and exotic landscape. And let's not forget, they're surprisingly pest-resistant too. Now let's talk about the stars of the show. While cactus is a broad term, here are some of the best plants to consider for your cactus garden, offering a diverse range of textures and forms. First, saguaro cactus or Carnegie gigantea. Iconic and majestic, saguaros are slow-growing, but can eventually reach towering heights, creating a dramatic vertical element. Second, golden barrel cactus or Echinocactus grissonii. These spherical beauties are instantly recognizable with their bright yellow spines and make excellent focal points in any garden. Third, prickly pear cactus or Opuntia species. Known for their flat, paddle-like segments, prickly pears come in many varieties, some producing edible fruits and beautiful flowers. Fourth, organ pipe cactus or Stenicerius thurberei. Growing in clusters of upright, ribbed stems, these cacti create a striking architectural presence. Fifth, totem pole cactus or Lophocereus scottii monstrosus. A spineless, knobby, and unique-looking cactus that adds a quirky and sculptural element. Sixth, agave or agave species. While not technically cacti, many agaves are succulents that pair perfectly, offering bold rosettes and striking forms. Examples include agave attenuata or foxtail agave for a softer look or agave americana for a more classic, spiky appeal. Seventh, yucca or yucca species. Another excellent companion, yuccas provide architectural interest with their sword-like leaves and often produce tall flower stalks. Eighth, aloe or aloe species. Many aloes like aloe vera or aloe arborescens are wonderful additions, providing interesting textures and sometimes vibrant flowers. Ninth, cholla cactus or Cylindropuntia species. Known for their jointed stems and often formidable spines, chollas can add a wild, rugged feel. 10th, pencil cactus or Euphorbia tyricale. Though not a true cactus, its unique pencil-like branches create a modern, minimalist look. And to elevate your cactus garden from just a collection of plants to a stunning landscape, consider these design tips. First, vary heights and textures. Combine tall columnar cacti with round barrels, spreading ground covers, and spiky agaves to create visual depth and interest. Second, incorporate rocks and boulders. Large rocks and strategically placed boulders mimic natural desert landscapes and provide a rustic, authentic feel. They also help with drainage and can create microclimates. Third, choose the right substrate. Use well-draining soil mixed with sand, perlite, or pumice. Top it off with gravel, decorative stones, or crushed decomposed granite for a clean, finished look and to suppress weeds. Fourth, consider container gardening. Even if you don't have a large yard, beautiful pots and planters can house stunning cactus arrangements, as you'll see in some of our examples. Fifth, add architectural elements. Think about rustic pottery, weathered wood, or even modern sculptures to complement the natural forms of the cacti. Sixth, strategic lighting. Uplighting can create dramatic shadows and highlight the unique shapes of your cacti, making your garden come alive at night. Seventh, mind the spacing. Give your cacti room to grow. While they might look small initially, many can become quite large. Plan for their mature size to avoid overcrowding. Eighth, minimalist approach. Sometimes less is more. A few well-chosen, striking specimens can have a more significant impact than a cluttered space. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best cactus garden design ideas to spark your creativity. 1. The Desert Oasis Front Yard. Starting our countdown at number 1, we have this incredible front yard display that truly embodies a desert oasis. Notice the diverse array of cacti, from large barrel varieties to sprawling ground covers and columnar types, creating a rich tapestry of textures. The clever use of rocks and gravel pathways enhances the natural feel, demonstrating how even a residential space can be transformed into a stunning, low-maintenance landscape. 2. Modern minimalist potting. At number 2, this design proves that elegance can be simple. A large, sleek concrete bowl houses a vibrant golden barrel cactus, perfectly complemented by the slender, blue-green pencil cactus or a similar succulent. The dark polished stones add a sophisticated touch, making this an ideal statement piece for a contemporary patio or balcony. It's chic, clean, and highlights the beauty of individual specimens. 3. Enchanting terrarium art. Number 3 brings us indoors with these captivating cactus terrariums. Whether in an open bowl or a tall cylindrical vase, these miniature desert landscapes are true works of art. Layered with pebbles, soil, and small cacti and succulents like aloe and haworthia, they offer a charming low-maintenance way to bring green into any room. They're perfect for small spaces or as unique gifts. 4. Architectural entrance statement. Coming in at number 4, this design uses columnar cacti to create a dramatic, architectural statement along a pathway or entrance. The tall, upright forms perfectly complement the earthy tones of the wall and large pottery, drawing the eye and guiding visitors. The pops of yellow from the flowering trees add a beautiful contrast, proving that cacti can be part of a vibrant, inviting entryway. 5. Lush Xeriscape harmony. At number 5, we see a beautiful example of a Xeriscape garden, blending rounded golden barrel cacti with spiky agaves and other drought-tolerant plants. The large white rocks and light-colored gravel create a bright, expansive feel, contrasting beautifully with the rich greens. The gentle curve of the garden bed and the integration of artificial turf show a thoughtful balance of natural beauty and practical design. 6. Balcony Cactus Collection. Number 6 shows us that even a small balcony can become a thriving cactus haven. This tiered shelving unit maximizes vertical space, allowing for a diverse collection of potted cacti and succulents. From fuzzy opuntias to classic golden barrels, each plant has its place, creating a personal and manageable urban desert escape. Potted plants on wheels add flexibility for sun exposure. 7. Sculptural Desert Showcase. For number 7, feast your eyes on this sculptural arrangement. A stunning aloe species with its tree-like trunk stands alongside tall columnar cacti and beautiful agave varieties, all nestled amongst natural boulders and gravel. The varying heights and forms create a dynamic composition that is both artistic and low maintenance, perfect for a modern desert landscape. 8. Vibrant Rock Garden Display. Our 8th idea is a vibrant and meticulously arranged rock garden. Smaller cacti, including colorful grafted moon cacti, are artfully placed amidst white pebbles and unique, sculptural wooden elements. This design is rich in detail and offers a cheerful, almost playful feel, demonstrating how you can create a dense and visually exciting display with smaller varieties. 9. Contemporary Garden Path. Number 9 presents a contemporary take on a cactus garden, integrating sleek stepping stones and dark gravel pathways with patches of artificial turf. The large columnar cactus acts as a bold anchor, while rounded cacti and spiky succulents are strategically placed amidst crisp white pebbles. This design is clean, modern, and highlights the graphic beauty of desert plants. 10. Bold Landscape Statement. And finally, at number 10, we have a truly bold landscape statement. Large, established columnar cacti and striking agaves create a dramatic backdrop, with clusters of rounded cacti as a focal point. The substantial natural boulders add weight and authenticity, making this a powerful and commanding design that celebrates the grandeur of desert flora. And there you have it, our top 10 best cactus garden design ideas. From expansive xeriscapes to charming terrariums and modern balconies to grand entrances, cacti offer an endless array of possibilities for creating stunning, sustainable, and low-maintenance outdoor and indoor spaces. Their unique beauty and resilience truly make them a fantastic choice for any garden enthusiast. Which design was your favorite? Do you have a cactus garden of your own? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow plant lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas and helpful tips. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!